In this section we're actually going to talk about the rider position of each bar and how they make you sit while riding on the bike, and the position of your arms, your legs, and how they compare. So I'll flip the bars around. This is the Carlini bar, this is the factory 47 bar, and you can see that there is a big difference between the two. You can see the Carlini bar is a lot lower and the factory 47 is a lot higher. Okay, so what does that actually mean? The factory 47 bar bent that way for me gives me a bit more comfort because the bar is bending up to me. They've added in the extra length into the bar. So I've got my arms like that and my elbows bent. Okay, so I know if a guy's using the factory 47 bar and he's got it hooked up on his bike, his elbows are going to be a bit more bent like that, okay, while he's riding along, because he's got that extra height. Now I'm only talking a couple of inches, but that couple of inches makes a big difference for riding comfort, put it that way. The Carlini bars, as you can see, they're a lot lower, all right, than the factory 47 bar. So you're going to be reaching more forward when fitting them up, and you've got them fitted. You're going to be reaching a lot more. Although it's a small difference, it is a bit more. So on rider comfort, that's what I have found. All right, I'll let you make your decision. Let me know. Do you find your Carlini bars as comfortable when you're riding it, or do you find yourself leaning forward too much? How do you find your factory 47 bars? Just leave some comments for everyone to see and have a comparison. Bit of feedback from the Custom Craft family would be awesome. You know, I see a lot of Carlini bars on bikes. You know, hey, how do you find it to ride? I wanted to pick up on this one point. We've touched on it, but I just wanted to show it in this position. Here you've got the Carlini bar on the bottom, and you've got the factory 47 on the top there. And I'm doing a side-by-side comparison. As you can see, the factory 47 bar bends more towards the rider compared to the Carlini bar. It's more of a flatter bend. Factory 47 is a big angle, you know, coming across, and the Carlini bar is at a lesser angle. So what that actually means is when you're on your bike, the factory 47 comes to you more. The Carlini makes you ride up a bit more forward because of the less bend. Less bend, reaching forward more. Factory 47, more bent, more relaxed, more, in my opinion. That's what I've found. So thanks guys for being part of this episode. I hope you found it informative. Got any questions, list them below. Let us know what you think, how you found each bar, your riding experience with it. It'd be very good to know, and give us the feedback of what you think. But mainly, thanks for being part of the Custom Craft family, our YouTube channel. We're going to get more and more content up, and we've got some exciting episodes coming. Awesome brothers, thank you.